A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all will be fine. Yesterday I have discussed with you about the prepositions. Prepositions, what are the prepositions? Prepositions are the word which makes the relationship of a noun and pronoun with the other parts of the sentence. Now let's solve an exercise to clarify it. First is exercise A. Pick out the preposition in the given sentences and write them in the space provided. First one is the lamp is on the table. Here on is the preposition. Second is she is speaking to Pavani. Here to is the preposition. Third is Gandhiji believed in God. Here in is preposition. Last is I like to travel by train. Here by is the preposition. So I hope this exercise will help you to understand what are the prepositions and what is their role in a sentence. Now next topic is types of prepositions. There are three types of prepositions. First is prepositions of time, second is preposition of position, and third one is preposition of direction. I will discuss them one by one. First is preposition of time. What is the preposition of time? The preposition which shows the relation of a noun or pronoun with the other parts of the sentence in the terms of time. That is known as preposition of time. For example, we shifted to this house in June. Here in is making the relationship with the uh, with the house and June. Next is will you come to home by 5 o'clock? Here by is the preposition of time because it makes the relation in a sentence. So preposition of time are those words which shows the relationship of a noun and pronoun with the other parts of the sentence in the form of time. Thank you and have a nice day.